So this is my ST100. This is a facelift model 2006 European left-hand drive, and what totally annoys me is this horrid sound of the horn. This really sounds like shit. So what I wanted to try out is a dual tone horn. So I bought this set from China, which is branded Zhuke. I have no idea what this is, but this is the high and low tone, 410 Hertz and 510 Hertz. Yes, so this is the standard frequency. I will put up the price on the comments, and this is the OEM. So I wanted to show you is if this little piece from China can make the ST sound somehow more decent. So let me just plug the original. So as you can see, the kit comes in the 4th plug, so you don't have to solder, you don't have to do anything. So these are just these kind of connections, and just let me show you how this sounds. I was a little bit surprised in a good way, actually. So you hear a click. So of course I will switch these in the original mounting position, but check out this sound. Sounds much better for a few dollars spent. And the swap is easy. I'm not going to show you how to do, because the only thing you have to do is take off the headlight, which is only 2 metal bolts, 1 plastic clip, which is in this corner, and that's all. And these 2 horns, they came with a pair of metal, a little bit flimsy, but brackets, so you can just mount them together, place the horn on there, and you're good to go. So hope this helps somebody. And just to show you that the original mounting point is absolutely perfect, so I've used the original bracket, and I've just added 1 bolt and a nut at the end. Both of these are right now facing forward. I just only hope that if it rains that it doesn't destroy them, but well, they didn't cost much, and if you are worried about that, you can just tilt them downwards. And that's all. Just a neat kit for a few bucks.